Mydar. Video disclosure. Please note, some Mydar videos may contain awkward phrasing, uneven tone, or moments lacking clarity due to the use of AI-generated voices in their production. As a result, certain sections may sound confusing, glitchy, or unclear in English. However, the core message and educational value remain intact. To enhance your understanding and follow along more effectively, we highly recommend purchasing the Mydar Guide in paperback or hardcover book on Amazon. Having a physical copy on hand will serve as a valuable reference whenever needed. Updated versions of the Mydar First-Time Home Buyer e-learning course videos are planned for the near future. In the meantime, we encourage you to focus on grasping the foundational real estate principles that Mydar provides. Thank you, and cheers to your journey toward homeownership.